In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add experience on LinkedIn. Whether you're fresh out of school or have years of industry know-how, maintaining an updated LinkedIn profile is crucial. It not only amplifies your professional presence, but also connects you with valuable opportunities globally. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to enrich your LinkedIn experience section. To get started, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL linkedin.com. When the LinkedIn homepage loads, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down, you'll want to select View Profile. This will navigate you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, where you can review all your current details. This page is where you can make updates that reflect your most up-to-date achievements and roles. Now, as you scroll through your profile, keep an eye out for the Experience section. This is a crucial part of your LinkedIn profile, showcasing your professional journey to potential employers or collaborators. Within this section, look for a small plus icon. This tiny symbol is your gateway to entering new professional experiences. Click on it, and you'll see an option to Add Position pop up. Clicking on Add Position will lead you to a new page where you'll be prompted to fill out details about your job experiences. Start by entering the name of the position you held or currently hold. Be as specific and concise as possible. Clarity here will help those reviewing your profile understand your roles and responsibilities better. Next, include the name of the company or organization you were associated with. If applicable, try to link the correct company page to maintain a professional look. It's also important to specify the location, as this information adds context to your experience. One of the critical parts here is to ensure you provide accurate start and end dates for your position. These date fields help to establish your career timeline and provide authenticity to your profile. If it's a current job, you can select the I currently work here option. Additionally, take a moment to describe your role and achievements concisely, showcasing your contributions and key responsibilities. Remember, impactful descriptions are tailored, intentional, and quantify achievements where possible. Once you've filled in all the required details, it's time to review your entries briefly. If everything appears accurate and comprehensive, scroll down and click on the Save button. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new experience to your LinkedIn profile. This update will enhance your professional narrative and help you stand out in the vast LinkedIn network. That's all for today, and I hope you found these steps simple and useful. Keeping your LinkedIn profile updated ensures you make the most out of this powerful professional network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to enhance your profile continuously as you grow in your career.